The Pittsburgh legal community is very generous. There are any number of attorneys and judges who have given very generously of their time and their money to neighborhood legal services through the years. So first of all, I want to thank everybody who's done that, and everyone who's been an ambassador, who's figured out a way to get more people at their firm to give. I really appreciate that, and I know sometimes it's involved a sacrifice. And I thank the people who have done the leadership gifts and the matching gifts. That whole competitive lawyer thing can be very helpful at times. It's such a privilege to be a lawyer. There are things that we can do that just anybody can't do. Only we can provide the pro bono services. And so we get so many benefits from from jobs that pay us better and clients who pay us better, that I think you really need to step in and help. It's an ethical obligation, but for me it's a moral obligation. If you're looking at it from a more practical, self-interest point of view, you get a lot of experience. And even today, if I do a custody conciliation or a PFA hearing, I learn something new every time I have a different client. And you think you've heard it all, and then something comes in and you have different issues. And down the road, I mean, the thing that lawyers are always selling about themselves is the experience they've had. And so, you know, no one cares whether you got your experience in a pro bono hearing or whether a client was paying you for it. Even if you don't see poverty in your community and you're not seeing the foreclosure signs, it really ends up affecting all of us. Because if people aren't earning a living, they're not contributing to the tax base. If they're not taking care of themselves, ultimately we end up taking care of people one way or another. Neighborhood Legal Services has any number of innovative programs that are designed to help people meet their obligations, which is important, and stay in their homes and get the health care they need. The goal is not to figure out a way to take care of somebody for the rest of their lives. The goal is to enable them to take care of themselves and then reach out a hand to somebody else.